Welcome friends. Today we are going to study about Standard 5 Term 1 subject Social. Today we are going to learn about good citizens. Helping someone, saluting national flag, gardening, pampering pet animal, helping old people, growing trees. Who is a human? What are the difference between animals and human beings? Man is a social animal. Human beings are bestowed with senses. Human beings think and act using their senses. They are born free but bound in the social web. They cannot live alone. They need social and emotional support. To live in the society, they need to develop some good values. We are born with few values and rights. These values are further polished in educational institution. The aim of education is to change a person into a valuable person. Good values are the qualities of a person that keep society running. These qualities can be developed by all. The term civic relates to people or civilian or citizens of a country. People should live together in unity. Living together in harmony despite all the disparities is a significant value. Helping others is also an important value. There should be no disparity among people and all are one. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens of the nation. Moral and good values have to be grown among children so that they may become valuable citizens. Good values, personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Let us see about personal values. Personal value is a basic value for every individual. We must bring out the hidden values of a person that they acquire from their experience. This leads to their overall development. Now let us see about cultural values. To become well mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. Now let us see about social values. How should we behave in public places? We can maintain good values in public places by following the points given below. Maintain good relations with people. Respect elders. Respect nature. Be tolerant. And finally, maintain friendship. Now let us see about disciplinary values. Punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your morals, doing duties without fail, etc. are disciplinary values. Constitutional values. Safeguard the public properties, maintain the unity and integrity of the nation, develop scientific attitude, protect the nature resources, care for the environment, honor the national symbols, respect martyrs and their sacrifices, preserve our culture and heritage, develop patriotism. There are some factors that affect our values. Extreme faith in religion leads to communalism. Do not break the queue or rules. Spitting and dumping garbage anywhere. Polluting land and water.